What is up, YouTube? Drew here, and just because I love you guys, I appreciate how many views and how many likes my channel's been getting. I figured I'd do something kind of silly for you. So I'm working on this 2010 Toyota Camry. Absolutely wonderful car, just it came to me with a broken flex pipe, which is not too uncommon. And as you can see, I am in the process of welding in a new one. What I normally do is I cut it out, weld in a new one as much as I can, then drop the exhaust to finish the welds. But I figured, while it's off, I wondered if you guys wanted to hear what a 2.5 liter Toyota motor sounds like with absolutely no exhaust. So here that comes. This has been a completely ridiculous video, but I hope you liked it. And if you did, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. I guess if goofy stuff like that is encouraged, I'll do it once in a while. All right? Have a great day, guys. Take care.